welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. This year I have started lots of new things while coming to the subscription boxes, where the first one was a Boxy Charm and the other one that I have done is this Stitch Fix. In today's video, let's see what is my experience with the Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online shopping guide where it is a completely different experience. Shopping experience is not confined only to clothes, but it has accessories, shoes, handbags, everything of your choice. It all depends on what we are selecting while we are subscribing to it. Initially, for the stylist, we need to pay $20. It's like a fee that we are paying to the stylist, but it will be waived off when we are purchasing any of their products. We have a huge set of questions, and then we have to answer all of them according to our taste and our style, and a stylist will style as per your choice and will send you a box with the styles that matches your taste. So today I have got my Stitch Fix box. This is a long waited box for me. So the video till the end to understand if it is a win or a lose to me. Without any delay, let's open and see what's there in the box. Unboxing is always so much fun to me. I really love unboxing. Oh, hello. In this, they have mentioned the various outfit suggestions, how I can, wear with multiple types and how I can do a mix and match. So that is all about this. This cover has the billing in it and what are the various things that they have applied and what is the feedback that they are looking for. If you don't like anything, you can return with this package. The laced sneakers. The pink and white combination is very good. Yay! Next, coming to the dresses. These dresses include the cardigan, the cowl neck brush knit top, the brush knit top one more, and the Vancouver twill jogger. But this looks like more of a boy kind of a t-shirt. I'm not sure. After wearing it, we can see. The material is super soft. Very wonderful combination with grey, white and pink. I think this is too large to me. This is the cardigan. The color is super cool. And the last item from the box is a pant. And now it's time to try all of them. Now that I'm already dressed in this full hands and all, I'll try this cardigan. I didn't like this color much on me actually. After wearing this cardigan, I'm feeling that I'm looking more healthier than what I am. Might be a light colored t-shirt would have elevated this. This top is actually looking okay, but still I feel it like a men's color, and I'm feeling that I'm looking more healthier than what I am in these dresses. The hands are loose at the wrist and I don't feel like I'm looking pretty in this t-shirt, so this is a no. I'm not that happy as of now. Let's see the other things that I have. This is also a no. I didn't even like these shoes because they were skidding while I was walking. One thing I liked in all of them is the quality of the material. They are very soft and so cozy, but I didn't like because the feeling that the blue one was more like a boyish color and the pink one was too loose for me, and the pant is also not that feminine look, and the shoes were a little bit tight to me, and I was not able to make a flower knot out of that, which I didn't like much, and also I was feeling a little bit skiddy while I was walking on the floor. So all these are what I'm returning. These are also going back. Let's wrap them up very quickly. Ready for its return. If I would have taken all these items, I should have paid $171, or if I like individual items, I should have to pay individual cost. $20 would have been discounted as part of my purchase, but because I haven't purchased it, it would go into the fees for the stylist. That is also okay for me because I have selected things for us, so that's okay. Given me some experience where I can understand what I have to do. This is how my experience is with Stitch Fix. You think that my experiences are helping you out in deciding what to do, how to do, and where to invest, where not to invest? Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu. Till then, bye. Stay tuned to me, Vasu, because there are lots of experiences that I have to share.